Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a product that I bought at Temu, and the price is over here. And I'm gonna show you how to assemble it and the dimensions and what you can put in there and what kind of material it is, everything. So let's start. Here is the package, and as you can see, it comes in this box and it comes wrapped in this. There is nothing else right here, so I'm going to open it. It smells a little bit, and that's one of the things that I perceived in the first time. I think it's the chipboard. Here are the screws. I'm going to put it on the side, and right here are the pieces, and this is the instructions on how to put them together. See, it's a plywood. It says plywood, and then what it's include, and this is important information, and the warranty. So I'm going to separate all the pieces, and then I'm going to read this one and come back to assemble. And in the instructions says that this is plywood, but I know plywood. This is chipboard. And this is not plywood. It has the look of plywood, but this is chipboard. This is pressed chipboard, and it has only paper and the outside. See? So now you know what you're going to get. And the first thing is to attach these two pieces. Then we are going to attach this one right here. Okay. And then we are going to put the screws right here. See? And you will see right here the screw on the sides. Now we are going to add this part up here. Secure all the sides. And now I'm going to put this one, the knob that comes with this. And the drawer is ready. Then we have the big panel, and look, this had to be to the top, and we are going to put this one right here, and this one will go right here. See, now we have to turn to the side, and we have to put the screws. Now we put this one and we put it straight, and we are going to start. Now that we have this, we have these two pieces, and we are going to attach them right here. See? And we are going to secure them right here. Now the second one. We have these two pieces, and we are going to attach them right here. See? And we are going to put screws here. Now we are going to turn to this side. Now I have the 3 divisions right here, and I'm going to just place them. And this is how it looks. And it comes with this one that is a phone holder or phone stand, and you just put it like this, and then when it's on the table you can put your phone this way or this way. See? If you don't want this one to move, you can just put glue right here and then just glue it, and it will attach to the back, so it's not going to be moving like this. See, I do not recommend painting this one because this on top is paper, and if you put something wet like paint, it's going to make bubbles. Okay, it's going to make bubbles, bumps, and you won't like it. So if you choose this color, you stay with this color, and you can just paint with nail enamel or any other paint all these ones. See, all the screws that are visible. Now I'm going to put some stuff so you can see how it looks with stuff. Now, as you can see, I put some markers right here. If it's 72 markers, and you can even put more right here. I'm going to put it a little bit tilted so you can see. See, this is how it's going to look. See? And right here, for example, I put a circle punch that we always use. And then right here, a corner punch. See? And right here, I put some embossing powders. These are embossing powders from Rangers. And I have two that are small, and I put it up here. And in that drawer, I'm going to put it up to the back. Look, I put a lot of stuff for stamping. See, some of these that I can use like more often. Then right here, some of these sponges. And I always need washi tape to secure something. And then right here, a small block. And this one, the perfect medium, that is for using with embossing powder. So you can have a little stuff that you use the most. And if you don't want to have markers on top, you can replace them with tools. You can put your tools in there. So it can be very nice to have everything at your hands. See, if we are not going to move this one, it's going to be very stable and neat. And see, lots of space. The measurements of this organizer are 8 inches by 6. 6 is from the back to the front. And 10. The height is 10. And the inside of the drawer is 7 inches by 5 1/4 by 1 inch height. See? And let me know in the comments what you think about this product and how would you use it? What would you put in there? I hope you like this demonstration, and if you like, the link is going to be in the description box. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.